Hello everyone, this is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. We have completed our grammar topic determiners. If you have missed that video, then you can go back and check it out. It's a revision time, so today my 4 students, Atisha, Kiran, Ritika and Tarun are coming to give the presentation on the grammar topic determiners. So stay with us till then. Let's start.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. So our topic is determiners. Determiners are words which are placed before a noun to indicate what a noun refers to. Determiners are important because they help to clarify a noun and make a sentence as precise and focused as possible.
Many parts of speech, such as quantitative, articles, numerals, demonstrative, possessive, act as a determiner. So let us understand by some example. These are my friends, a book, the Ramayana. Here, the, these, a, and are some determiners. Now Ritika will tell you about what are articles. Articles are a, the, and. A and are indefinite articles and both are used with singular nouns. Like an is used before vowel sound like an MLA. A is used with consonant sound like a European, and the is used with special person and things like the Himalaya. Now Atisha and Kiran will tell us about difference between quantitative and numerals.
So quantitatives are used to indicate quantity. These are used for uncountable nouns like some, few and much, little.
Numerals are used to indicate number and is used with countable nouns such as first, one, two, many and all.
Like there is much water. So water is uncountable noun, so we have used much.
For example, there are 3 words. Much, many houses, many people. Here people are countable, so we used here.
So now Tarun will tell us about demonstrative and possessive determiners.
Next we have demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners are the words that are used to point out or indicate something. It consists of this, that, these, those. Let us take an example. Those children are playing there. Possessive determiners are the pronouns which are used to express our belongingness. It mainly consists of first person and second person. In first person we have my, our, we. In second person we have your, his, her. Let us take an example. Ritesh lost his badge yesterday. Thank you. Hope
That's all for today. See you tomorrow with another presentation.